My name is Rob Stocklosa. I'm an application engineer with TPM out of Raleigh, North Carolina. Today we're going to discuss importing an existing manufacturing parts database into SolidWorks Electrical. Here you can see I have an Excel sheet that was generated from a previous product that we used to use, and I was able to export that directly out of that product. Many of the existing electrical products that are available have that capability. Back here in SolidWorks Electrical, I'm going to select from my Importing tab the Import Data button. It's simply going to prompt me through a wizard-based interface to select my Excel sheet. I have some options to confirm configurations, make sure things look good prior to moving on to the next step. If multiple sheets exist, I have that availability as well to dictate which sheet I want to pertain my information to. As you can imagine, there's quite a bit of information in here, so one of the options that we do have is the availability to create a component library on the fly and give it a description. Maybe it's something called existing components, something to that effect, just to indicate that these are things that we had previous to implementing SolidWorks Electrical. Here I'm going to select the appropriate library and classification for the information I'm importing. The next step is to simply identify what columns I need to omit from the importing process. Many Excel sheets will have a title column, and I can indicate that. The next step is to simply map each column's heading to the appropriate information in SolidWorks Electrical. So here I have a manufacturer. That's going to be some metadata that's associated to the symbol, and I'm just going to drag and drop that to the appropriate column. Based on my templates, I can go through this process as many times as needed and identify as many columns as required. Simple enough. We'll hit next. If I wanted to omit certain information that was based on a date range, I could do that as well. And here I'm just going to simply bypass that, import this, and you'll see I get a little simulation of what's actually taking place. That confirms things look good, so I'll proceed forward. And again, I can save my configuration settings if I had some customization. I'll simply click the Import tab, and SolidWorks Electrical will quickly give me an indication that it was imported correctly. At this point, my manufacturing parts are ready to use. You can see here in my existing SolidWorks Electrical library, there's a component that was generated directly from the Excel sheet I just imported. I can cross-reference that, and you'll see the catalog number, how it was correctly mapped to the reference for the description. I hope you found this helpful. Have a great day.